In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam achievements or not showing. The first step is you want to try and find Steam, go to Properties, Compatibility, and then you want to try and activate these two right here. Now once you've done that, try and see if it works now. If it still doesn't, we want to try and close down Steam completely, so go to Task Manager, Details, sort by the name, press anywhere and press S. Now if you have any Steam in here, you want to click on it and end task. Also come down here and click on this, see if you have Steam, and then right click and end Steam. Once you've done this, you want to come here and search for run, type in % local app data %, okay, find Steam folder, and then you want to delete this one. Don't worry, it's just going to delete some temporary files. They're going to regenerate when we open Steam again. Once you've done that, it should hopefully work now. If for some reason it's still not working, the last option is to simply reinstall Steam. So come here and search for apps and features, search for Steam, click uninstall, and then reinstall it. Now keep in mind when you uninstall Steam, it's probably going to delete your games as well, so you can put them over to another drive, then you can just drag them back once you've downloaded it, and they should be installed. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.